Hello folks, Mark Kelson here at beautiful Junction City, Oregon, Guarantee RV to present to you this 2018 Ventana pre-owned 3715 model. Beautiful coach. Let's go in and see what it has to offer. Excellent colors on this coach, excellent floor plan, the beautiful gray with the white, the two-tone seating, and the wood flooring, well, porcelain tile wood flooring on the bottom, the nice dark wood. Everything just blends really nicely. So you have two couches opposing for a lot of sleeping in this coach. And of course you have the Newmar quality of wood and craftsmanship. Absolutely beautiful. Nice stainless steel or nickel pulls right there. You do have the Euro booth. So sitting back in this booth, comfortable, kick your leg up, put your arm here. It is just so comfortable in this coach. You notice you got nice window pulls, so you have the filter and you have the blackout. Great valances, wood and upholstery mixed. Coming over to the kitchen, you have the L-shaped kitchen with dual sink, stainless steel square sink, Corian countertop, very hard, very durable. This comes in when the slide comes in. You do have in this coach, you have the induction cooktop stove right there, covered with the Corian. Nice drawers, full extension on these drawers. Cabinetry, very deep, very plentiful. You have the Whirlpool microwave convection combination right there. And you do have the residential refrigerator. Let's see if we can get this to open. There we go. With the freezer on the bottom. Yeah. Ice maker. Very nice. Coming to the center here. You have the center bath with wonderful lighting, nice big shower, and you have the egress door right behind the toilet there in the event of an emergency. Very cool. Right here, little pantry area or linen, whatever you want to do. And again, the same right here with the pull-outs. Coming to the back, nice bedroom area, queen-size bed, windows on the side, good ventilation, good lighting, just wonderful cabinetry up above, the mood lighting in the sides, a 32-inch TV over here, a bank of drawers. This would be a wonderful room to stay in. Look at this right here. So this wardrobe, full-size wardrobe right there. And then if you pull it this way, you do have a safe to keep your valuables in right there. Let's go up front and see what it has to offer. So this is a 3715 Newmar Ventana. Going to be on the Freightliner custom chassis. Flex steel seating up here. You have the levelers over here. You have your Allison transmission, your engine brake, cruise control at the touch of a button, backup camera, side cameras, phone charger right here. This is the 50-year anniversary right here in this coach. So you've got your generator knobs up here to turn the generator on, your visors and your shades. Well, they are actually, well, you have to have the chassis turned on evidently, but that's where that is right there. This does have comfort drive, so it's got the steering assist in this coach, which is absolutely a pleasure to drive. Let's go outside and see what it has to offer outside. Coming out here, you're going to have full body paint on this coach. Beautiful silver and black colors with a wonderful accent stripe of blue. Just really sets this whole coach off. Alloy wheels, automatic awning up top, slide toppers on this coach. Let's see if this is open. Right there, you got a lot of storage here. You're going to have that storage all the way through, and then here is going to be the tray that pulls out that allows you to get to some things from behind very easily. Right here, you got your TV, outdoor TV, and you're going to have a space right here to put a little hammock that comes out, extends out from the coach if you so desire. Back here, your chassis batteries. This is on a 360. This is a Cummins engine, Allison transmission. You have your camera up above. You have your tow hitch down below. You have air back here. You also have your ladder accessing the top so that you can get at all the components up on the top to add sealant, whatever you got to do. Then we come over here, another little storage area over here. This will be 50 amp service, and it is on an electric reel right there. There's your DEF and a place to put your hoses for your sewer. And you can see back there, there's one of your levelers right to the left there. One of the things I like about this is I can get under here. You have the side open baggage doors, and I'm not hitting my head on this thing. This is really cool. Now this one's placed strategically right between the slides so that you can get at your water bay, which you're gonna do a lot. And so to get at that, you got in this bay, your water filter, your hose on a reel. You got your outside shower right here, and your sewer rinse and your dump right there. So it's all right there at the touch of a button, and it's in between the two slide outs. Now there's your egress door, what it looks like from the outside. So it comes out, opens up, ladder comes down, you get out safely in the event of an emergency. So coming under here, again, there's your Oasis. So you have diesel fired furnace and hot water on demand in this coach. That's a huge feature. You can take a shower if you're in a park for as long as you want to. There's a pass-through right there. And a bank of batteries. Look at that. There's 8 batteries in there for your house. Here's your run bay right here with all of the electrical components, fuses, whatnot in there. Side cameras right here to look down the way in the event of a bicyclist or somebody coming up on your side. Very safe that way. I'll tell you what, 3715 Ventana, 360 engine, Cummins engine, Allison transmission. This is a great coach. My name is Mark Kelson. My number 541-285-8791, or the guarantee number at the bottom of your screen. Come on in or give me a call, and let's take a look at this. I'll answer some more questions about it. Thank you so much for watching.